Hello guys, welcome to my Unique Net Tech channel. So today I am going to show you how to activate STC or Viva SIM card and how to use internet and how to check data balance, how to check main balance and how to use application, everything. And STC was previous name is Viva. Now the Saudi telecom company he hired a Viva Telecom, so now they changed the name Viva to STC. STC means Saudi Telecom Company. This video is detailed video for STC users to check data balance, data packages in applications or in a phone, to dial numbers also, through the numbers also, and through messages and through the application. So this video for STC users to check data balance and everything. Please watch my video carefully, and if you like it, please thumbs up for me. Look guys, I'm going to unbox unpacking the SIM card. See, you can use this way to unpack the SIM card. It's little hard guys. Okay, see, okay, and then remove the plastics. Okay, when you open you will get the barcode. This is a number. So this is the SIM serial number from STC. If you want any customer assistance, you can call 102, business contact 155, and they have a website stc.com.kw. Okay, this is the main things. SIM card is here. See, this is the SIM card. They have a PUK pin number also. If somebody set the PUK, so this is the default PUK. By the chance if you set up the PUK and you forget, you can use this one. See the same serial number, this one and this one here. SIM always has a, see how many slots, 1 2 and 3. So you can use multi-purpose SIM cards. You can use anywhere, some router big one, some router small one, or some phone micro, mini, or no regular one. So whatever size you want. Now all SIM cards comes with like a smartly SIM cards, so you can use any slot. They have all slots by default comes with the SIM. So guys, now I'm going to put the SIM card on the normal phone, and I will show you how to activate, how to check data balance, and how to check main balance, and how to activate. Please watch carefully. So guys, I am going to use a dummy phone, little Nokia old school phone. See, okay, okay, just removing this part of the SIM card and going to put inside the SIM slot. I'm just using only the mini SIM card. I know how to use, so if you know, you can use this that way, or you can use this all slots and put it inside. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I inserted the SIM card and I turn on my old school Nokia phone, and it is showing me STC Kuwait. It means the SIM card is good and is working. So what you have to dial is dial 500 to activate this. So guys, when you dial 500, it will ask for the language setup. See, and then you can press 2. Okay, that's it. Just dial anything, 500 or any number, and then just select language, and then your SIM card is activated. See, when you dial star 555 pound, it will show you what is your main account balance on SIM card. See, it is showing me 5 KD, and it is showing me valid until this date. Okay, now again I am showing you 555 to check main balance. See, also they will show you some advertisement like put 5 KD more, and to subscribe send 43, send a message to type 43, and sender number is 510, and you will get 60 international minutes. You can call 60 minutes 1 hour to anywhere in the world. So that is a promotion is showing on the next side. Now I'm show you the number. See, star 222 to see your SIM number, your mobile number. If you buy a new SIM card, it will show you the number. See, the first 3 digit is a country code for Kuwait plus 965, and after that the number 8 digit is a Kuwait your number. Okay, for this again I'm showing you 222, and then you dial, it will show you the number. Okay, see, now I'm showing you is star 556 pound. That is for if you have any internet package, if you have a data package, you have any data packages, you have internet on your phone. Okay, to see how many GB remaining, how many data you have until valid, what time, and when it will expire, it will show you everything. See, they will send you the message from 556, and you will get this. Your bonus detail are, they will show you. Right now I don't have any internet or any package, so it is not showing me anything, but whenever you have, it will show you the date, time, and when it expire and everything. Okay, also guys, you can use a voucher card. See, 3, 5 and 10. Also in the market you will find 1 KD and 2 KD also, but we didn't find anything, so maybe they stop or something, but we find this one. See, so whenever you wanna recharge, like you wanna add more balance on your account, and you wanna activate any bundle like 5 GB, 10, 25 GB, 50 GB, 100 GB, 200 GB, or any plan you wanna activate, you need these cards to add on your main account. So this is all used card. I'm just showing you how to activate. Okay, so let me see activate how to for 3 KD card, 3 KD voucher. Okay, so the voucher will come like this one. Okay, and then you have to scratch it, and you will get the number. Okay, once you get scratch it, go to on your phone, any smartphone or any phone, dial 500 and star. See, they have a description and everything how to you can use it. Okay, and then you once you dial star 500 star, and then the recharge code. See, 408664483225 and hash. Once you dial, it will, this card will not work because it is already used. Okay, once you dial it, the 3 KD will add on your account. See, after that you can dial this to check your main account. Once you dial, it will show you 5 plus 3 8 KD, but this is already used, so it will showing me 5 KD only because I have only 5 KD on your account. Okay, so this is the way you can use a voucher card. Okay, manually 5 KD, 3 KD and 10 KD voucher. Okay, this all are this is about all the voucher cards. See, this is a vouchers, all is the same. So maybe you want to activate 200 GB for 18 KD bundle, you need 110 5 3, so it is 18 KD. Okay, or you if somebody don't give you 10 KD, you can buy 25 35 and 35 and 113. Okay, so that is the way you can count 18 KD, 12 KD bundle, or 8 KD bundle, or 5 KD bundle. So all of the 8 KD bundle you can just buy 5 and 3 will be 8 KD, and if you wanna buy 12 KD, you can buy 10 and 3 because 2 KD cards not available in the market. So this is the way you can use STC voucher cards. And now showing you how to activate and deactivate the data bundle on STC. So see guys, you can see 5 GB, 25 GB, 50 GB, 200 GB, 5 KD, 8 KD, 12 KD, 18 KD. Okay, how to send and where to send and how to deactivate. So this is to activate, this is to deactivate. By the chance, first time when you buy a new SIM card or something, and you add the 5 GB plan, and then you wanna go with the next this plan or this plan, so you have to deactivate this first plan to send 012 to 510. activate 12 to 510. Same plan if you want to deactivate 012 to 510. Otherwise, whenever you're going to activate this plan, they will auto renew this plan. So must you have to deactivate the plan first, and then you can go to 8KD, 12KD or anyone, add the voucher card or add the amount on your account, and then you can activate any of those plans. So if you want 5GB plan, you have to send 12 to 510. They will send a activation message on your phone, and you have a 5GB plan, and then you can dial star 556 pound to check your data balance. Okay, check. See, I'm going to show you. See, if I want to activate 5GB balance, 5GB, I will go to the message. Okay, and I will type here 1 2 and send 510. Okay, and then it will activate my plan. In case if I wanna deactivate my 5GB plan, I will go to the message. Okay, and I will type 1 0 1 2 and I will send to 510. Okay, it will deactivate my whatever my previous plan. If I have a 5GB plan to deactivate, then I have to type 012. If I have 25GB, then I have to type 013. If I have 50GB, then 014. 200GB 015. Okay, after that, whenever you add your voucher card, okay, you always make sure to check main balance. To check main balance, star 555 hash to main balance. Okay, to data balance, star 556 dial hash, and then you can check your main balance. Okay, this is through the numbers and through the voucher cards to activate and deactivate your data plans on the STC SIM card, or and how to activate and how to use main balance and everything on this STC SIM card. This is the one. Now we are showing you about STC application, how to activate STC application and how to use that. So for that, first you need to have your mobile number. So first you have to dial star 222 pound, and then you dial, and once you dial, it will show you your mobile number. Okay, so you note down this mobile number, any of your paper or notes, and keep it. So we need it on while activating, or while activating STC. So guys, I am showing you now how to find application for STC and how to activate a application. Okay, so first of all you have to go to App Store or a Play Store. Okay, and then you will type STC. Okay, once you type, you will get my STC Kuwait application. Okay, then you have to press on install. Okay, this is the name, my STC. Okay, it is 74 or 75 MB app. Once you install, you can see the interface like. Okay, after downloading the application, you can open the application. Okay, see the interface looks like. Okay, see, this is the application. So guys, we cannot activate a app without visiting STC store. So before, they have a bypass to use the application, but now it's not. See, when you go to STC application, you can go to mobile and internet. When you click here, you can go to prepaid or postpaid, whatever you have. So see, whenever we go, it is asking civil ID or passport number. So we cannot. So that we have to, like, if the SIM card is under our name, or we have a SIM card, Kuwait national ID or a passport, then you can add it. Okay, otherwise you don't need the application, just leave it like this. So I am not going to activate under my name or anything. So guys, the previous update has not activating the application without civil ID or anything, without Kuwait national ID. So you can go to the manually star 556 and you can track your data packages and everything. Thank you for watching me, and please keep love and keep subscribing my channel. I am new on YouTube, so that is very big